I put the salad on the table and it was over in a heartbeat. To begin our recipe, let's cut some lettuce. We'll need 1 can of tuna. Let's strain it to remove the oil. Let's add 1 can of corn. We'll cut 2 tomatoes, and 1 onion. Let's cut 7 ounces of mozzarella into cubes. We'll put the tomatoes, the onion, and the cheese. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Now we'll need half a lime. In a bowl, we'll squeeze it. Add 1/3 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and black pepper. Let's mix everything. Now we just need to pour the dressing and mix. At the end of the video, give me a grade from 1 to 10. And our salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!